Microsoft quietly rolled out a feature late last year that I think most corporate trainers have no idea exists. It's called Learning Activities, and it lives inside Office 365. With it, you can take any existing content, training notes, a document, a slide deck, paste it in, and the tool generates interactive study activities like flashcards, matching games, automatically. My name is Jordon Taylor with the Corporate Training Companion. Let's jump in. Okay, so first things first is finding the Learning Activities app because it is a little bit hidden. But if you go to the waffle and click More Apps and then go to All Apps, you will find it. It's Learning Activities right here, AI-powered activities that spark better learning. It'll open up in another tab. As you can see, it drops you right into the workspace where I've got a few different activities already built. In the top right-hand corner, you've got New Activity and Join. The way that Join works is that when you click Share from one of your activities, it will generate both a URL and a code, and that 6-digit code can be used to join an activity, similar to something like Kahoot. We'll go ahead and close that out. Below that, you've got a little search function, and you can also sort by the different types of activities to try and locate a specific one. But that's really it. The navigation is super simple. To start a new activity, you just click on that New Activity button. There's 3 types of activities that you can create. So you can see flashcards, fill in the blanks, and matching. To give you an idea of how this works, I am just gonna go ahead and create a flashcard one. So from the creation screen, you can paste in notes from a training that you took. You can also add content. So if you've got a PowerPoint deck, if you've got Word documents, you can upload those. Then once you've got all your content in there that you want the AI to generate activities for, in this case, again, flashcards, you would choose the language. There's a number of different languages. We will just stick with English. And then for flashcards specifically, you've got 3 different options: term and definition, question and answer, and multiple choice. You can also toggle on and off whether or not you want a hint to the answer to be added to the flashcards. Once you've selected all the options that you want to select, you'll go ahead and click generate. It took less than a minute, I would say maybe 40 seconds or so. And you've got all of your different questions that are fully editable if you want to edit them by hand. You can also add blank cards, or you can have it generate 5 additional flashcards if you'd like to do that. Once you go through all the questions, if there are things globally across all of the flashcards that you want to change, you can enhance those with AI and just type in the description what you're looking to do. You can change those settings that you selected when you generated them initially. I'm not going to do that. They look pretty good. You can preview them. This is what they'll look like in the activity itself. And with flashcards, you're really just saying like, I'm still learning this or I know it, similar to how you would go through flashcards in real life. So when you answer this question, which Teams feature lets you pin SharePoint docs or websites inside a channel? I think that's tabs, and that is correct. So I know that one, so on and so forth. That is how this works. Let's exit preview mode up here on the right, and we can save this activity. Closing out the activity once it's saved is as easy as just Xing it out in the top right, and then going back to our recents. Now we've got our additional flashcard activity to our list. Creating new activities is largely the same process, whether you're doing flashcards, fill in the blanks, or the matching game. So let's take a quick look at a matching game that's already been created. This one's on Crucial Conversations. The thing that I really like about the matching game is you could genuinely, in training, treat this like a Kahoot. So you can share out the 6-digit code, or you can copy the activity link and share that out in a Teams message and people can log in. I don't think it's quite as robust as Kahoot, but it will certainly serve its purpose. So let's open up that Crucial Conversations matching game. You can time this and add a competitive element. You would simply share the link that they would need or that 6-digit code that we talked about earlier. Everybody would log in and then they can do timed trials against one another. To see what this looks like, let's just start the game. So we've got start with heart, and that is clarifying your motives, I believe, a discussion with high stakes, strong emotions, that is just a crucial conversation. Combined information, opinions, and feelings, that would be the pool shared meeting. Watching for signs that conversation has become crucial is learn to look and make it safe. So I got a perfect score. I did it in 29 seconds. As you can see, the best time though is 14.5 seconds. My accuracy was 100%, but just a fun way to maybe study some topics or create some competition in your training rooms. Last but not least, we have the fill in the blanks activity. Now this one is built off of the notes taken on the first day of onboarding at a new company. And as you can see, it's in a paragraph form and you fill in the blanks choosing from the options below. So on my first day at Vantage Solutions Group, I met with HR and received my badge, laptop. The company was founded in 2009. Their mission is to simplify complexity and deliver clarity for every client every time, which was emphasized during orientation. Core values like integrity, accountability were discussed, and we were encouraged to consider how they apply to our daily work. Department reports to Dana Whitfield. I was told that siloed thinking is considered a red flag in the organization. So we'll check those. And I got all of them correct. Incredibly easy to build activities to help folks study that they can build and take on their own, or you can do it for them and share it with them. So that's Learning Activities, a genuinely useful tool that just sort of snuck into the background of our existing Office 365 accounts. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna use it, how you're gonna use it. I am genuinely curious. If you found this useful, hit the like button so others can find it as well, and subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. My name is Jordon Taylor with the Corporate Training Companion. Until next time.